How many society in IIUM that you find out have this kind of unit ataupun PIC ataupun JK? Berapa banyak society kat UIA yang ada JK data ataupun unit data? Society apa tu? Okay. Dia ada apa? R&D. Alright. So R&D, one of the element yang they deal with is data line, I assume. Okay. Lagi? Familiar tak? Okay. So any society that claim ataupun want to have the direction very much guided by real data, it's quite illogical, logically speaking lah, tak ada unit benda ni. Tapi I think most society do not have this in mind. Normally when we decide to do something, do we actually sebelum nak decide tengoklah data sebelum ni, ada tak? Tak pernah kan? Postmortem program sebelum kita tak tengok boleh tak? Ke siapa? Ada club ataupun your project ke sebelum nak decide camp ni, jom tengok apa postmortem sebelum ke postmortem tu apa? Right, so that's the reality of most ni. Okay, ni media lah. But I think I think most society, the media team is mostly for reporting punya purpose, right? Adakah any society yang media dia have higher ambition ataupun higher goals? Kayak because I'm not familiar with all society. Faham ke ni? Maknanya kalau kita kata our project should actually shape public opinion. Faham ke public opinion ni? Maknanya masyarakat kampus kita ni sepatutnya pola pemikiran dia berubah dengan kita punya media. Ada mana-mana society yang aim macam tu tak? That you know of? Ada? Alright. I think kalau if we have access to like dokumen yang list out KPI etc., you can get a hint of certain direction of any group lah. Kan? Anyway,